Welcome to Seed, Sow and Grow Gardening. Today's episode is about growing eggplants. I'm Lisa. Welcome back. So today we're going to my neighbor's garden. I'm located here in the Philippines, and he has a pretty big eggplant garden. It's doing quite well, as you can see. So passing by on my morning walk, I stopped to film just to see how his garden was growing, and he's checking all of the eggplants here to see how well they are doing. You should remember that eggplant is a fruit, not a vegetable. It is a berry, botanically speaking, because it develops from a flower and contains seeds. However, it's typically classified as a vegetable in culinary terms due to its savory flavor and how it's prepared and consumed. Eggplants come in a variety of colors, shapes, and sizes. The most common eggplant is the large purple variety that we see here, but there's also white, green, and yellow eggplants. Eggplants can be round, oval, long, or slender. As we see here, he was kind enough to give us a few eggplants from his garden. We're going to cook these up. Eggplants are a good source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. It's also low in calories and in fat. Here is the flower of the eggplant. Eggplants can be cooked in many different ways. They can be grilled, roasted, fried, or steamed. It can also be used in stews, stir-fries, and dips. Did you know? The name eggplant comes from the fact that the fruit of the plant resembles an egg. Eggplant was once thought to be poisonous, but of course this is not the case. Eggplant is a very popular ingredient in many vegetarian and vegan dishes because of its meaty texture. Here we have grilled eggplant. In the Philippines, there's a dish called torta, which is grilled eggplant with eggs. It is so delicious. So enjoy your eggplant. See you next time on Seed, Sow, and Grow Gardening to see what we are into next. Remember to like and subscribe. See you in the next episode.